General Secretary in Star Yoga Point, who is available here. Now, I request Ms. Simana Devi to introduce Mr. Mohammad Ibrahim Jilani.
Now I would like to welcome Mr. Mohammad Ibrahim Jilani, sir, renowned yoga coach in
Yoga coach.
GHMC and General Secretary in Star Yoga Point. He is well qualified renowned yoga instructor in Hyderabad. Now he is working as a yoga coach in GHMC. Also he is working as a General Secretary at Star Yoga Point. From 7 years onwards, he is working for celebrity.
Specialty of
Special sessions according to the public age group. He mainly focuses on controlling stress. He has many awards as a best yoga instructor. He is the recipient of Sevaratna
event
Puraskar.
of Sevaratna Puraskar. He also visited many such as USA, Canada, various places in South.
Now I request
Now I
Mr.
request
Mohammad
Mr.
Ibrahim Jilani
Mohammad
sir
Ibrahim Jilani
to take
sir
over the
to
session.
take over the session.
Yes.
Why? Yoga is totally experimental stuff. The different type of yogas, Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga, Hat Yoga, Saha Yoga, and different type of yoga. And in this yoga, so we can control through body, mind, and soul. So in our body, there have internal organ and external. So in yoga and asana is very, very important. After that, asana and pranayama also is very important. The pranayama also particularly the breathing technique. After that, meditation. After that, mudras, various different type of forming. So that time we are using the mudras. Yeah, now the yoga means we are contact to a supreme power. अपने आप को सुप्रीम पावर से निकालना, इसीलिए योगा and asanas में which is activated through organ and glands. Everybody knows we are having some important organs in our body. Some organs are which is not in our control. So vital organs that is heart, liver, kidney, they are working automatically. In yoga, by doing asana, we activate two organs for proper functioning. This we can control to disease by asana. And after that, a breathing technique. So what is breathing technique? In pranayama, Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, and Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, and Brahmani. There are different types of pranayama. After that, mudras also is very important in yoga. So, yoga, Maharishi Patanjali Maharaj, इन्होंने योगा को डिफरेंट जो आसनास थे उसको उन्होंने एक सेटअप किया। फिर सेटअप करने के बाद मैंने उसको अकॉर्डिंग टू एज मैंने डिजाइन बनाया योगा का। सपोज यू आर स्टूडेंट, इन स्टूडेंट यू आर यूजिंग आईज एंड यू आर यूजिंग ब्रेन, so how to improve your memory by yoga? So I will, after that I will do some performance. तो आप उसको देख सकेंगे कि मेमोरी को कैसे डेवलप किया जाता है, फिर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को कैसे दिया जाता है, इस तरह से। तो मैं आपको बात बता रहा था कि योगा के अंदर जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर पोस्चर्स में जब आप स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं, जब आप फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग करते हैं, जब आप बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग करते हैं, जब आप टर्निंग करते हैं, तो इन दिस पोस्चर टोटली एक्टिवेट टू आवर ऑर्गन्स। तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। योगा इज regimental therapy. In yoga, we are not using any type of medicine. Everybody knows the regimental therapies, color therapies, acupressure therapy, or physiotherapy, and different types of color therapy, and bleaching therapy, and cupping therapy. These are the different type of. So yoga is the same way. A simple yoga, we can a healthy body, healthy mind. In yoga practicing, if you are using daily practicing, so I think I have believed on yoga, so you can healthy and you can get peace of mind also. Yeah, meditation is very important. Meditation, in meditation we are using the mudra, dhyan mudra. If you are controlling the tip of the pointing finger, when you are stretching that knee, you are controlling thought and you can improve your concentration. तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंसंट्रेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. जब आप कंसंट्रेशन करते हुए आप उसके बाद में फिर आपका डिटर्मिनेशन, फिर इसके बाद में फिर आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर. ये अब इसके बाद में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ आसनास है जो पर्टिकुलरली आपके आंगन को एक्टिवेट करते हैं. वज्रासन, भुजंगासन, सर्वांगासन, उत्तरासन, धनुरासन, डिफरेंट उत्थान पादासन, पादाचरणासन, मंडूकासन, डिफरेंट आसन. मैंने जो पैकेज बनाया है उस पैकेज में हम अपने बीमारियों को कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. दिस इज माई इम्पोर्टेंट. ये मेरा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैं योगा में आपको योगी नहीं बनाते हैं बल्कि आपके बीमारियों को कैसे दूर किया जा सकता है. It's alright. This is a simple introduction of yoga. Now I am going to performing. Yes, thank you, boy. Yeah. First of all, the respiratory system. Oxygen is very important. Blood circulation के लिए ऑक्सीजन और पानी की सुविधा होती है. The breathing exercise is based on we are taking oxygen and breathe down carbon dioxide. The first of all, breathe in. Inhale and exhale. ऑक्सीजन नॉट लेना है और किसी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. 1, 2, 3, right? 10 times, 20 times of breathing exercise to activate. Next, you are having some breathing centers in our hand and in our feet. Yes. Inhale and exhale. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? No. You are going to start a flexibility body. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Fingers up, down, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before going to start yoga, we are making flexible body. Yes, now. Shoulder exercise. Down to up. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Next exercise. There are 4 types of next exercise. First up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. 3 to 5 seconds. Take it moment. After right 1, if you are suffering in cervical responsibility, it's very beneficial exercise. 2, 3, 4. Right? clockwise, 1, opposite, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Yes, after that, spinal cord exercise, 1, 2, 3, reverse, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, cool. Awesome. Right hand, left hand, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The leg, backward bending, bend. To the right, once again, bend. To the right, same time, once again, relax. Now, concentrate on just 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Now we come to toes exercise. Up, stretching upward. Relax. Same time. 5 seconds. Up. Relax. Up. Relax. Up. Relax. Next, toes up. Down. Left toes up. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. Right. Heel up. Stretch it upward. Down. Up. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. Up 15. 6. Relax. Once again, sit. Relax. Now we are going to start asanas. So first of all, warm up. So wanted to increase our heart rate. When you increase our heart rate, the blood circulation. Yes, while doing breathing exercise, improves our blood circulation. Yes, now right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like Devasana. Yeah. In this process, it's only like 15 minutes. So, दोनों हाथों पैर में standing का distance, no tension with your leg and thighs, right side of गर्दन, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Here, large quantity of oxygen. Breathe in, breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Relax. 15 minutes. अगर आप रिलैक्स करते हैं आपको 1 आवर का रिलैक्स मिलता है. Yes, Padasana you can control to your obesity and be control to our hernia problem and improve to our digestion system. Now next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Reflect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Don't separate. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दोनों तरफ से start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. After that, पवन मुक्तासन. बॉडी में गैस फॉर्म होती है, उस गैस को एब्डोमेन पे दबाव डालना है. एब्डोमेन पे दबाव डालेंगे और ठंडे घुटने को लगाएंगे. राइट. 5 सेकेंड. relax, one, relax, three, relax, four, just one second, for one to turn. The first, second block, yes, right side and left side, right, one, left, one, two, three, four, five, relax. The third down, up and down. Yes, full weight from the left, down weight, yes, one, two, three, four, five. Relax. Let it be oxygen. Breathe deep. And slowly breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we are going to perform Nakat Asana. Yes, we activate once again kidney and lifting our side span. Right, one, complete breathe out. Left one, three, four, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Relax. Now, Utthana Padasana. In this posture, our blood goes to heart. Yes? Start breathing in. Up. Relax. Once again, up. Relax. Now, in the asana is very, very important. First of all, in flexibility body, we are stretching calf muscles and thigh muscles, also and breast muscles and veins. Now, the 90-degree first form. Yes, the toes up, down, two, down, three, down. Relax. Reflect up. Toes up, down, दूसरे पैर को भी मूवमेंट देना है, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax, both legs up, here, goes to totally vertical, जाने लगता है, because up, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax, just slowly turn on. Yes, and this up, down, 2, down, 3, down. Same other movement. Yes, with the right leg up, down, 2, down, 3, down. Now we are changing the posture. Yes. Yes. The posture is Visual Cobra posture. The first round, breathing up, relax. Once again, start breathing up, relax. Once again, start breathing up. Relax. Stay tight so you can control the lower back pain. The second posture, with your hand support, start breathing up. Relax. हाथों को धीरे धीरे पीछे ले जाना है। Here, सांस लेते हुए up, रिलैक्स। वंस अगेन, हाथों को जहां बेल्ट बांधते हैं वहां तक ले जाना है। सांस लेते हुए अप, रिलैक्स। यस, right hip and left leg up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Both legs up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Yes. Now we are going to perform the Dhanurasana. So, we are activated the kidneys, we are activated the liver, pancreas, and intestine, gallbladder. Yes. Right leg, right hand, left leg, left hand, breathe in and up. Relax. Once again, translating up, रिलैक्स। अभी हम इसी पोस्चर में हमको मूवमेंट करना है। पूरा दबाव आपका एब्डोमेन पे, लिवर पे, स्पेशली लेडीज, we can activate to ovaries also, we can control to fatty liver also, we activate to pancreas also, so we can control to diabetic problem. But again, right leg, left hand, left leg, left hand, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 16 are on right side. So the left hand bend, our left leg bend. So in this posture, we can control to by breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Same position. Yes, we can control to lubricate by this awesome 16 asana this time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Yes, slowly turn your body, long come together by left hand support, 9. Yes, you are looking the posture is called Vajrasana. Vajrasana is very important. Yes, why is important in this posture? We are getting 15 minutes अगर आप रेस्ट देते हैं eating करते हुए, so can improve your digestion problem and you improve and your digestion system also. Yes, Mandukasana. Once again, we activate the kidney and pancreas and liver. Left side, after that right hand, breathe in and breathe out. Bend. Bodies. Once again, left side, right side, bend. 10 times, 10 seconds, forward bending. Complete breathe out. Relax. Once again, left hand, right hand, bend. Relax. In this posture, in Mandukasana, yes, we are being large. ज्यादा से ज्यादा दबाव डालते हैं लीवर पर. Breathe in and breathe out, forward bending. Relax. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Relax. इसी में एडवांस दबाव लीवर पे, पैंक्रियास पर, गॉल ब्लैडर पे ताकि होगा. सांस छोड़िए. Yes, right. This asana is called Mudukasana. Now, the Ustrasana. Sometimes somebody in cardiac vascular disease. The asana is very important asana. But दो अलग अलग इसके posture है. First posture of we are expanding hips and inhale and inhale and exhale. Relax. Now we activate the coronary arteries. जब हम फैट का रेशियो आपके डाइट में जब आप नासिक ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं ऑयली चीजों का ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो पैक्चराइज जो भी चीजें जो खाते हैं फैट पैक्चराइज चिपकने लगता है और नॉन पैक्चराइज सब फैट और नॉन पैक्चराइज समान पैक्चराइज तो इस तरह से हमारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल कॉर्निक आर्टरीज में चिपकने लगता है तो वी आर स्ट्रेचिंग आर्टरीज द फर्स्ट राउंड ओनली बिटवीन Ustrasana. Once again, we are stretching coronary arteries. Now, relax. Sit down, breathe in and breathe out. Now, the second posture. थोड़ा सा पैर, yes, right leg, right hand, left leg, left side, complete up, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, relax, breathe in, slowly breathe out, once again, right hand, left hand, the posture is called Ustrasana. You can control the body of the seat. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Relax, sit down. Now, we activate the brain. ब्लड हमारा ब्रेन में जब कैपिलरीज फैट का रिलेशन जब बढ़ जाता है कैपिलरीज में ब्लड का फ्लो वहां तक कम पहुंचता है हमारा मेमोरी वीक होने लगता है डिमेंशिया ए प्रॉब्लम दैट मीन वी आर नॉट सेपरेट टू आवर ब्लड इन ब्रेन यस द पोस्चर इज कॉल्ड शेषावकासन ब्रीथ इन and breathe out then आप देख रहे हैं कि ब्लड टोटल ब्रेन ऑर्गन्स में जाता है relax in this posture we convert to angle problem and we are convert to peace of mind and we are concerned to the problem of epilepsy. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe. Right. Some postures are very difficult and some hard things. Now I am going to perform just one asana. In this asana, the blood totally goes in our brain. Here is very, very important asana. That's called Sarvam asana. Yes. Now, close your eyes and slowly cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Three, 4, 5. In advance, another asana is called Halasana. Slowly go down. Relax. Stop for it. Take this. Yes. This is triangle. And down. Very handy. I suppose. Yes. Yes. Now, the Brahmani and Kapalpana. We are going to start the pranayama. Breathing technique. Some organs are vital organs. ये कुछ बहुत काम करते रहते हैं. You are looking the posture Sukh Asana, a comfortable posture. In this posture, we relax the body and mind. The posture is Sukh Asana. Now, Kapal Bhati. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक सेकंड में एक स्ट्रोक आना चाहिए. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Anulom Vilom. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. 20 times, 20 times. For your left nostril, breathe in. Right side, breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Now the Bhastrika cow. How to clear your lungs by doing Bhastrika. हमारे lungs स्पंज की तरह होते हैं. Impure oxygen, pollution, जब आप इंटेक करते हैं, आपके ब्लॉकेजेस होते रहते हैं lungs में. The Bhastrika is very important. Yes, 1, breathe out by nostril by forcing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, it's very, very important pranayama. It's called Brahmani. What is Brahmani? Brahmani, just like vibration, breathe out with vibration. Breathe out your oxygen and with vibration. Activate the brain carefully. Put your both fingers, eyes on fingers, close your ears, right both straight, breathe in and breathe out. Right. Now, in yoga, meditation also is very important. By doing meditation, we are getting peace of mind. In peace of mind, we are using the Dhyan Mudra, Vayu Mudra, Shunu Mudra, Prithvi Mudra. There's different type of mudra. Now, we are stretching tip of the pointing finger and tip of the thumb. Close eyes, meditation. Relax, rubbing your hands. Yeah. Now explain the what is the human body. You are looking the chart. This is our completed body. We are having 206 bones in our body. The joints are the 300 joints. Sometimes we are suffering in knee joint. तो यूरिक एसिड टोटली आपका ब्लड के साथ ये पूरा फिट करता है। ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, इस तरह से ये जॉइंट्स में यूरिक एसिड जमा हो जाता है, तो इस तरह से आपको जॉइंट्स पेन, आर्थराइटिस पेन, ये सारे पेन की शुरुआत होती है। इस बोझ पर हमारे ये मसल्स होते हैं, या ये मसल, कॉफ मसल, टाइट मसल, फेस पे, ये आर्म्स मसल, ये सारे मसल, जो मसल्स में स्टिफनेस आ जाता है तो यू कैन नॉट मूव वेरी इजीली, तो आपको चेयर पर बैठना पड़ता है। स्टूडेंट्स, मोस्टली आप लोग राउंड पोस्चर में बैठते हैं। आप बैकबोन को स्ट्रेट करना है और पोस्चर कभी भी करेक्ट होना है। या मैं अभी आपको बता रहा था कि हमारा डाइजेशन सिस्टम है, इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट, यू आर लुकिंग द येलो कलर, so this is the pancreas. It's forming insulin, ये ग्लैंड इंसुलिन फॉर्म करता है। जब प्रॉपर इंसुलिन नहीं रिलीज होती है, यहाँ से शुगर की शुरुआत होती है। So just now we are popping here, this is the liver and the bladder, and this yellow color is the pancreas. We are looking the small intestine and big intestine also. So in Mandukasana, we are pressing the liver and activate to ovaries also. Yeah, see the posture. Relax. लीवर को एक्टिवेट किया जाता है ताकि प्रॉपर वो फंक्शनिंग करने लगे, तो आपको डिसीज, आप डायबिटीज कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। यस, नो, अब ये लोग सब्सटीट्यूशन के लिए ऑक्सीजन और वाटर बहुत जरूरी होता है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को डेवलप करने के लिए ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज में ऑक्सीजन दी गई, ताकि ऑक्सीजन और पानी के जरिए पूरा बॉडी में हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेट करता है। किडनीज को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए another आसन is called त्रिकोण आसन। या yes, breathe in and breathe out in standing posture also we can do. Yes, breathe in and breathe out. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. Relax. We are using some important technique. So in yoga we are using some technique. So you are looking the chart. आपके हाथ और पैरों में ये रिफ्लेक्स सर्कल से, ये ब्रेन का पॉइंट, ये आइज का पॉइंट, लीवर का पॉइंट, किडनीज का पॉइंट, ये सारे आपके हाथ में होते हैं। इफ यू आर सफरिंग इन डायबिटिक प्रॉब्लम, सो इन लास्ट फिंगर यहाँ इसको इसे प्रेस करना है। ये 1 2 3 5 सेकंड 4 5, रिलैक्स। यहाँ आइस का पॉइंट होता है। 1 2 3 4 5, रिलैक्स। ये ब्रेन का पॉइंट, ये पैरों में, ये ब्रेन, इसको 5 सेकंड तक, ये 1 2 3 4 5। लेफ्ट हैंड में हमारा हार्ट का एक पॉइंट होता है। लास्ट फिंगर द लाइन, यस 1 2 3 4 5 द लाइन। ये आपको जानकारी बहुत जरूरी है। बैकबोन and breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. And I slowly down. Yes. Now, I think बहुत सारे सुपर सुपर टेक्निक जो आपको बताए गए हैं, और इसको अगर आप अपना लाइफ में इसको यूज करते रहेंगे तो मुझे यकीन है कि आप बीमार नहीं होंगे। ऑक्सीजन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, वार्म भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। रिलैक्स के बारे में शुभाषण में भी मैंने आपको रिलैक्स भी बताया। बहुत सारी चीजें आपको मैंने जितना भी आपको सिंपल सिंपल पैकेज दिए जो आप कर सकते हैं। और हेल्थी बॉडी की माइंड, आप जब ब्रेन को आप मूवमेंट देते हैं तो आपके ब्रेन में जो कैपिलरीज है वहां वाइब्रेशन होता है। वंस अगेन पुट योर बोथ फिंगर, दो हाथ इधर, फिंगर आंखों पे, क्लोज योर ईयर, ब्रीथ आउट विथ वाइब्रेशन। Right. What is the word? Thank you, boys. Right.
I would like to thank Ibrahim Jilani, yoga instructor, for showing us various asanas for practicing in our daily life, day-to-day life, to maintain our body, to maintain our health, to be physically fit every time. I request all the participants to share their views and to ask any questions about their health issues they're facing in their daily life, or any other joint pains or headaches or migraine diseases or sinus or back pain, severe back pains, any kind of pains or any kind of health issues they are facing in their day-to-day life or frequently. So they can ask questions to So your expert is here, who can suggest you yoga. You don't need to go to any hospital, you don't need to spend a lot of money, you don't need to have any operations, just need to practice and yet you just have to do the asanas exercises which we will going to suggest you. Just have to practice that only, so you will going to be have healthy life in your future. So I request all the participants to ask the questions if they are facing any health issues so that the instructor can suggest you any yoga. Hello? Hello? I think all the participants are very... Yes, hello? Hello?
No, sir, there is no questions from us.
So there is one question here. Uh, how to reduce the back pain? Which exercise is suitable for reducing the back pain? So you will definitely going to have this answer.
Yes, boys.
So there is one question, sir. How to reduce the back pain? Back pain कैसा कम किया जा सकता है?
Yeah.
अभी आपको मैंने
जो भुजंग आसन जो बताया
बताया स्पेशली वो
भुजंग
बुजुर्ग
आसन ही लोअर बैक पेन को कंट्रोल करता है तो उसमें आपको कम से कम
20 टाइम आपको उसके दो पोस्टर बताया मैं फर्स्ट पोस्टर में आपको सपोर्ट बाय एल्बोस एंड सेकंड पोस्टर में विथ योर बोथ हैंड सपोर्ट
आप इस तरह से आपके 10 सेकंड 5 सेकंड आप इतना अप करेंगे तो आपका लोअर बैक
ना इस करेंगे और
स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर में भी
भी अप पोस्टर में भी दोनों हाथ कमर पे आपको ऐसे बैक पर बिल्डिंग किया मैं सो इट्स वेरी इजी एक्सरसाइज इजी आसन आसन इज कॉल्ड भुजंग आसन एंड कोबरा पोस्चर या थैंक यू बॉयज
So is there any question? Yes, another question is how to reduce the stress. So daily faculties are doing a lot of work. Faculties जो है daily कुछ ना कुछ काम में बिजी रहते हैं और कोई कुछ ना कुछ काम, तो उनका तनाव कैसा कम किया जा सकता है? How to
meditation. I have explained about the meditation is very important. So the first step, you are not taking proper energy in your body. So that means you will feel
very
easy and
tiredness also and in yoga the primary is very
you will take peace of mind. Close your eyes.
mind. Close eyes and press the tip of the pointing finger and complete close eyes. See the posture. 10 seconds.
You repeat any
Holy word.
Repeat and repeat any holy word.
Any holy words.
But important, you are pressing tip on the hand because is very important. So we are controlling thought
You are getting peace of mind. relax. The question?
There is another question. So, how to reduce the stomach pain or acidity issues through yoga?
So, first of all, I have started by Padachalanasana. राइट लेग को आपको बड़ा सर्कल घुमाना है 20 टाइम एंड रिवर्स लेफ्ट लेग को भी 20 टाइम रिवर्स एंड फॉरवर्ड आफ्टर दैट साइकिलिंग या आफ्टर दैट रिवर्स साइकिलिंग बोथ लेग को ये वन ये टू ये साइकिलिंग करने से आपका डाइजेशन और आपको
25 ग्राम अदरक 25 ग्राम प्याज 25 ग्राम मिंट उसको जूस बनाएंगे उसमें आधा लेमन डालेंगे लेमन जूस और
नोट के बराबर खाने का सोडा आपको 5 डेज पीने से आपका डाइजेशन अच्छा हो जाएगा यूरिक एसिड आल्सो यू कैन कंट्रोल बाय दिस मेडिसिन आल्सो
Okay, that was nice session, sir. Nice question and answer session. This is the last reminder. How to reduce the knee pain and ankle pain, sir?
ankle
Ankle.
acha so
Knee pain.
stretching is very important first of all. That means if you are not taking proper energy, so you will suffer in ankle problem also. So it's in standing posture, you walk on heel also. Yeah, standing ऐसे करके 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stretching upward और total weight.
आपका हिल पे चलना है और एंकल पे यस एंकल को से मूवमेंट दे रहा है ये वन ये आपके एंकल से ये 1 2
1,
3
2,
4 5 you like 1 and up down 2 3 4 5 एंकल्स को इस तरह से मूवमेंट है और आपको नॉनवेज को कंट्रोल करना है यू टेक प्रॉपर एनर्जी दैट मीन्स कैरोट जूस विथ मिल्क और काउ मिल्क एंड एप्पल जूस विथ मिल्क इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट you can control to what is your vitamin deficiency and protein deficiency you will is very very purpose multi-purpose yoga. Yeah.
So now, last question. Is there any question? Last reminder to the questions. So, okay, sir. I once again thanks Mr. Ibrahim Jilani, yoga instructor, for giving wonderful session on how to control the diseases by yoga. He is one of the renowned yoga coach in GHMC and he is also general secretary in Star Yoga. So once again, I would like to thank all the participants for having their patience in listening and consistently facing the issues of either voice, speaking issue or microphone issues, no problem. We will going to sort out that soon. So we will going to end for this today's session. We will continue tomorrow at sharp 10 o'clock. So till then, take care. Bye. Love.
Contact number बोलेंगे क्या?
If you have any kind of pains or if you want to consult him, I'll text his phone number and contact details in the WhatsApp group. You can contact him and 9963. His number is 9963 1428
You can see on YouTube also
You can check out to YouTube also just now as I mentioned.
by Ibrahim Jilani.
Ibrahim Jilani. I will have to conclude here. So we're going to see you next day, that is tomorrow at sharp 10 o'clock. Till then, goodbye, take care. Love you.